Hello guys, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to export your chat to your PC or to any other application. So without any further ado, let's get started. You should make sure that WhatsApp is installed in your phone. Android or iPhone works both, but I'll be showing this tutorial on an iPhone. Make sure it's updated and open your WhatsApp application. After you open it, click on the bottom right section, the settings bar, and after that click on chats. You can click on export chats, and there are a number of chats will come up on the screen, groups and individual people. Then you can click on any one of the chats, and there comes this option, export chat. Then with or without media, you can click it, and after that copy your link and paste it on any of the PC devices, or click on it and share it to other people as well. Thank you for watching and hope this video helps you out a lot. Thank you.